The back office is used to manage everything related to the mobile application, like user privileges, information about the company and managing user transactions. This is possible through the toolbar options which we are going to talk about in the following video. The first option in the File menu is Select a Database. This takes you to the login screen where you can change any field and log in again. The Settings option shows all the standard settings of the application. By clicking on the Edit button, you can change all the settings which are written in bold. The Exit option will just close down the application. The Edit menu has the standard editing items which are disabled if no active window is found in the main window. However, if we open a new window we will see a suitable item getting enabled. Like in all our applications, General Parameters screen holds all the parameters which are common in all the companies. The toolbar on the screen lets you put the screen in edit mode, where you can change any value of the parameters, after which you can cancel or save the procedure. You can also find the Add to Favorites and the Send Message buttons respectively. Note that you cannot change any values unless the screen is in edit mode. Even the inner options of the banner images will be disabled. Once in edit mode, you can change any value you want. The Company Parameters screen holds all the options related to a particular company, like setting the default warehouses, batch, point of sales, etc. etc. The toolbar contains all the buttons to manage a single company parameter at time, like Move First, Move Previous, Move Next, Move Last. Add a new record. Edit existing record. Save record. Cancel operation. Delete a record. Refresh a record. Search a particular record. Browse for a record. Print preview. Print. Add to favorites and send message. When in edit mode, the screen is locked and fields cannot be changed. Once the edit button is clicked from the toolbar, all the fields are enabled and the user can change any value. Note that the customized description of the products are the item detail criteria which shows on item level in the tablet. You can customize it by moving fields up and down or even remove them from the list. It's also important to say that the user-defined fields created in the inventory on company level show up in this list automatically. The About Us screen is where the content is designed and implemented for the mobile application. You can design a page showing information and images about the company. Gallery is where you can add and remove images. You can edit the screen in two modes. HTML mode, where you can copy-paste an HTML code and even edit directly in the window. Or Design mode, where you have user-friendly tools to drop and add images and texts and manipulate content as you like. News and Events preview shows exactly how the screen looks like in the mobile application. You can change the order of the items in the list by clicking on Edit and drag and drop the fields, followed by clicking on Save to keep the changes. This screen controls the News and Events section in the mobile application. Since it has 3 levels, you need to fill a header as a first level, details for each header as second level, and content section for each detail. This is aided with a standard toolbar which helps you to navigate through the records, add, edit, delete, search records, and as well as print the information on the screen. Click on Edit button to explore some functionalities. To change the icon for the first level, click on the image button next to the logo field and browse for an image on your system. You can also view the image in the image viewer. Image viewer is used to view any image added as an icon on any level. The details in the grid represent the second level of news and events in the mobile application. The body represents the third and final level where it holds information about the news and events. This window lets you design a page with user-friendly tools where you can modify the text, add bullets and numbering, insert images and tables, and print out a copy. You can also add or edit an image for the logo by clicking on the button next to the field and browsing your PC for a suitable image. Services preview shows exactly how the screen looks like in the mobile application. You can change the order of the items in the list by clicking on Edit and drag and drop the fields. This screen, just like News and Events section, handles the three levels of the Services section in the mobile application. Services screen in the mobile application is composed of three levels: first level, second level, and content section. You can create new services, sub-services, and body, aided with tools to fill in some useful information. The details in the grid represent the second level in the mobile application. The body is the third and final level where it holds information about the services. The content can be modified by user-friendly tools suitable to design a page. You can add, change, view and delete the icon of the sub-services using the buttons in the logo column. When a user profile is created in a mobile application, it is sent to back-office for confirmation. This screen is used to register it and anoint the proper settings and rights. The header section is used as a filter to show suitable results in the grid. Just choose some criteria and click on Browse and you will notice how the grid is filled with data. After you check the details, you can send it a confirmation message as a push notification. It is important to check the active checkbox so that user can use his or her profile on the mobile application. Some of the essential settings are parameters and devices. The parameters define the user identity, its belongingness to a company, third party, warehouse, batch, POS, etc., etc. In this section you will see a list of devices used by a particular user, along with a block option. This is where you can send a push notification to every user, or just a single one. Use the header section to filter the type of users you want to see in the grid and click on Find. After choosing your users, type a text in the notification area and click on Send. Notification history acts as an inquiry to browse or even print all the notifications sent to users. Choose your filter criteria and click on Find and you are ready to go.